Imagine yourself in this 2012 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, auxiliary audio input, brake assist, child safety locks, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer and keyless entry. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.